So today I'm talking about a P0522 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P0522 code? Well, it's an engine oil pressure sensor switch low voltage. And what does this mean? Well, there's an engine oil pressure sensor or switch, depending on the vehicle, that basically reports back to the computer what the oil pressure is. Because if the oil pressure is low, then this can damage the engine. This can cause a lot of problems. And so the computer's seeing a problem with this sensor or switch. And so it's going to have to be troubleshooted. Know why? And depending on the vehicle, there can be an oil pressure switch, which is usually older vehicles. They'll have an oil pressure switch. And there can also be an oil pressure sensor, which most vehicles today are going to be using. So there can be some differences on what's going on. There can be some differences in wiring and things like this. The location of the sensor is going to be different. For example, here's a Dodge 2.4 liter. And as you can see, the engine oil pressure switch is on the side of the engine. And here's a 2000 Dodge V6 3.8 liter. And that switch is located down by the oil filter. But basically, keep in mind, there's going to be differences between what type of sensor it is or switch it is and the wiring going to it. So it's a good idea to get a diagram for your specific vehicle to know for sure what's going on. And so what are some possible causes of a P0522 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is low oil or the wrong type of oil was used. So go check your oil, be sure it's at the right level, because if it's not, that's going to cause low oil pressure and it's going to trigger that switch. Also, if oil was recently added to it or you recently had an oil change, it's possible that the wrong type of oil was used. If the oil is too thick for the engine, then that can also cause low oil pressure. It's also possible that there's some clogged oil passages. This usually happens with high mileage vehicles where the oil wasn't changed regularly, but clogged up oil passages can also cause this. The next thing that could cause this is that oil pressure sensor or switch has just gone bad and just needs to be replaced. It is fairly common with this code that sensor has just gone bad. You can't test these sensors if you want to with the multimeter. It's going to depend on the sensor type or how you go about testing it. But the next thing that could cause this is a bad oil pressure sensor or switch. And the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on in the wiring, like an open short, bad connection, something like that. And so check out the wiring. Be sure it looks like it's all plugged in good. Oil can get on these connectors and cause them to have a bad connection and things like this. So you can't check it out. Be sure it's got a good connection. You can also get a wiring diagram for your specific vehicle and check all the wiring to be sure there's no issues going on. But the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of wiring issue going on and it needs to be fixed. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a P0522 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.